Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make lotus root soup with corn and carrot. I think it's a very delicious Chinese soup for the family. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare ingredients for this soup. Cut 6 slices of ginger. Then save them for later. Peel 1 carrot and use a half to cut into pieces. Then save it for later. Peel 1 lotus root and use a half to cut into pieces. Then save it for later. Cut 1 corn into small pieces. Then save it for later. Next, we should wash 300 g fresh pork ribs for this soup. If you buy it from the market, you can ask the salesperson to help you chop it. Then save it for later. After that, we should blanch pork ribs. Firstly, add 3 slices of ginger, pork ribs into the pan. Add enough water to immerse them. Then use the big fire to boil them. After the water has boiled, blanch pork ribs for 3 minutes. Then use water to wash it. Then drain and save it for later. Next, we fry pork ribs. Add 1 teaspoon peanut oil into the pan. Use the big fire to heat it. Then add pork ribs into the pan. Stir fry for 1 minute. Then save it for later. Now we can start to cook lotus root soup with corn and carrot. Add pork ribs. 3 slices of ginger into the pots. Then about 1500 ml water to immerse them. Use the big fire to heat them. After the water has boiled, use a small fire to cook them for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add corn, lotus root, carrot into the pots and use a small fire to cook them for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper into the pots. Stir them evenly. Then we got the delicious lotus root soup with corn and carrot. The soup is very light, nutritious and delicious. It's perfect for autumn tonics. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.